Sesame Workshop logo bloopers. Cut. What's the PBS letters on the Sesame Workshop logo? You're not allowed to use PBS. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's take 2, sorry. Cut. Sesame Workshop, why are you pink? And why is the triangle orange? You're not allowed to be pink. And the word sesame is not supposed to be orange. And the word workshop is not supposed to be pink. It's supposed to have it normal. The colors in Sesame Workshop is going to be normal, okay? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. So weird. Alright, take 3. Let's try. Cut. Sesame Workshop, you're not allowed to use Intel logo music. You're supposed to use your own music, okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Let's just try again. Cut. Sesame Workshop, you're not allowed to be backwards. Sesame Workshop, you're supposed to go forward, and the music is forward. The logo is supposed to be forward, and it's not supposed to be remaining by Woody BFB. You're supposed to have it normal, okay, Sesame Workshop? Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. And you're not supposed to be reverse. You're supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's try that again. Cut. Why is PBS here? You're not allowed to use PBS. You're supposed to take public broadcasting service away. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Alright. Now we can do the last one. But this is your warning, Sesame. This is your warning, Sesame Workshop. If you screw up again, you're fired. Do you understand? I understand. Okay, now we can do the end of the Sesame Workshop logo. Cut. Why you turn it? That's it. Sesame Workshop, you're fired. Now get out of the studio right now. Oh man, great. I'm